Is YouTube TV on a delay? Let's clarify how it works. YouTube TV streams live TV with only a slight delay, typically ranging from 10 to 30 seconds behind the actual broadcast. This is standard for most live streaming services due to the time required for encoding, transmitting, and decoding the video signal. While this delay is barely noticeable for general viewing, it can be more apparent during events like sports or award shows when compared to traditional cable or over-the-air broadcasts. If you're looking to minimize the delay, ensure your internet connection is fast and stable. YouTube TV recommends at least 3 megabits per second for HD streaming. Additionally, using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi can help reduce buffering or lag. For most users, the delay is minor and won't significantly impact the viewing experience. However, if real-time viewing is crucial, this slight lag might be a consideration. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.